प्रिंसिपल नागेंद्र कुमार, ऑफिसर्स, delegated, the invitees, Mrs. Newari, ma'am, parents, teachers, and dear students. It's a great occasion we have assembled here to celebrate the 75th Republic Day. Everybody knows that after independence, there was a necessity to unite the nation and shape the nation to have a very good organized nation so that the people of India should enjoy the real freedom of the India. And in this day, the Constitution under the leadership of chairmanship of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was constituted and it was presented on the occasion of Republic Day in 1950s. The day was today. This is a very great work has been done by the constitutional chairman, and to further shape this nation, Vallabhbhai Patel, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel has done the great contribution to keep the nation in one thread so that all Indians should enjoy the freedom of the India. It was a very great challenge for the Indian leaders that time, how to unite the people of the various diversity in India. And it was a challenge for everybody, and it was happened with a great contribution, the great task followed by all other leaders. And maintaining this peace with the values laid by the Constitution of India, that equality, liberty, fraternity, all these things was not possible unless this Constitution is properly honored and maintained. And today is the day we have to commemorate the Constitution and the works or those sacrifices done by our forefathers and the freedom fighters. And it is a time that we have to salute them, that the good nations have been developed and it is we are taking a free break in this country. I have become speechless because the various students have given their speeches where it is come out that how the day has to be celebrated and how the day has got the real importance. These skits and the dances that has really overwhelmed, it has brought out the diversity of the India and how the people will act, behave and respond whenever the situation develops. And we have to come together to see that nation is one. So everybody or some may not be knowing, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar has told that I am the first Indian and the last Indian. So that's why we have the first Indian and the last Indian. And the policies developed or brought by the government of India has said that now we have come in the category of Vikasit Bharat. And for that, the students now has to gain the knowledge and see that knowledge is really utilized for the development of India when you are going to the education, seeking the education, you see that how you become self-confident and self-reliant by way of putting your own effort and become self-reliant by way of innovation. So innovation is the only way. When you gather the knowledge, you put it to use and see that how you develop the nation in that direction. So I can see that our children are doing very well. I have seen lot many prizes have been awarded to them, and they are really, others also should take the pride and enthusiasm so that they are also they also become eligible for getting them. So it is a hard effort, your work which will justify you to get such awards. So on the occasion of this 75th Republic Day, I extend my best wishes to you all, students, parents and teachers who have taken the lot of pain to make this function a great, and everybody has enjoyed this type of function. So I further my message is that we should be united and we should see that we give our contribution as much as to make the nation great. Thank you, one and all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.